Welcome to the Biglunano show. I'm Big Lou. In fact, actually, selfie time, I'm shorter. I'm crouched down if you didn't know. Anyway, so this is day 11 of the build. I think it's 11. Yeah, it is 11. It is 11. And it's the final day. There's nothing else to do. Nanu's going to put her seat on. And then, what are you doing?
What is this lace?
That's alright, it's because we haven't driven it. It will disappear in a minute.
Yes.
So where have you been during the whole build?
Where am I?
Yeah, where have you been?
Sleeping.
Okay, siesta. We're going to take her out for the maiden voyage. What do you think?
Yes.
You impressed?
I'm very impressed.
Okay, so selfie time. That's more like it. Never gets boring. And looking amazing. So that is, the bike's complete. There's only one thing left to do. Thing we've all been waiting for. What we've just put on the wrong way around. So, there's a key here.
This is where UNANO is.
So, this is what you've been moaning about for so long. You remember when I bought the bike, what were you complaining about?
My seat.
And she doesn't know how to put her seat on. No. On, and let's just slide it back.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it, pancit.
That's it, pancit. That's your seat.
I'm gonna jump on it. Will not. I'm not used to it.
It's fine, the bike won't go anywhere. You used to be able to climb.
Before, but because of the lockdown, I gained weight. I'm scared now.
Wow, you're high up.
It's not gonna fall.
It's not gonna fall.
I'm scared.
It's high up, man. I don't remember you being that high before. Now, if anybody knows the Ducati, the pillion passenger fits nobody except for Nano.
I'm scared. Oh, I'm
Wow,
scared.
you're so high up.
I'm scared.
You don't want the bike now. What are you doing?
What's the name of the bike?
The Devil, part 2. What's that?
I am just blessing.
With holy water.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't bless the last one. What happened to it? What happened to the last one?
Oh, it's okay.
It got stolen. It's not okay.
That's why.
Oh, because you didn't bless it.
Yes, I did not bless.
You're getting water everywhere.
Yeah, that's the blessing.
Oh, Siggy.
And this is the blessing too.
Burned my skin. It burned my skin. What does that mean? This is the big day today. You've not been here for the whole build. You've not been here for the whole build. You've just turned up when it's finished.
What's the name? What's a good name for it?
The Devil at the moment.
No, the devil is the other one. No, this is
Satan.
no.
Yeah, you know it is. It's
Angel.
No. Shaitan.
No.
We've got the
it's
devil
angel.
and we've got Shaitan.
No.
Yep. You like Satan too. Look at the horns on the
Angel,
front
angel.
and tell me that's not Satan.
This is my angel.
Angel.
I'm blessing the wheels.
That's just going to make them slippery, so more chance
Yeah.
of skidding.
No.
Well done. Good blessing.
Thank you.
Build's done. Everything's complete. It's the first time that I've ever worked on a motorbike before, and I must admit I've really enjoyed it. Now, everything that that we did to this bike was done without paddock stands. It was done all off the side stand. You know, a lot of people recommend using all that, but if I'm completely honest with you, I didn't need any of it. I've got very basic knowledge. I've worked on cars all my life, no training, but self-taught. And yeah, it was surprisingly easy, a lot of things. The problems that happened were my own fault. Big Lou likes to tread bolts. Now, you know, I didn't do any how-tos. I did plan to, but I decided that there's too many online. Everyone's done good ones as it is. This was more about you guys just sharing the journey and how or what we've been doing all this time. And you know, I'm really happy. It was tough when I lost my bike, but the plan was always to, you know, bring back Black Beauty. But this one's going to be just as special.
Hold on. Oh my god, this girl is sexy! Woo!
So we've just done the Maiden voyage. Yeah, everything went really well. Let me come down so you can see it. Yeah, everything worked. Idled good, ran really well. I don't know if you can see here, clear clutch. Like I was saying, you know, all that moisture that built up in there, it just needs to be ran properly and it will clear. So I'm thankful for that. Unano, you come from the back seat?
Yes, I love it.
So her seat was good, she's back. But I don't know what else to say. It's amazing. I love this bike. It was nice, powerful. I had it in wet mode the whole time because I didn't want her falling off the back. Or did I? No joke. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. It was really good. Nice and controlled, smooth. Yeah, I appreciate you guys following us on the journey. Now it's just going to be a question of enjoying the bike because weather's good at the moment, as you can see. There it is.
Okay. Again.
Right, come on.
Okay.
So,
Let's vlog. So this one,
you just had your maiden voyage.
I'm not expecting that.
Tell everybody how shocked you were when I stripped the bike.
Yes. You
So-
will see on the video how he stripped the bike, and I was really so hopeless if he can put it all back together.
And guess
But
what?
I'm very impressed.
I did, baby. That's
He's
it.
a Ducati
Technician.
technician now, so you got a job. in
No,
Ducati.
but it all worked, didn't it?
Yes, everything, it runs smoothly, and we enjoyed traveling around in London.
Yeah, so you got to see a bit of London. Because it's lockdown, we were able to
Film the
film
London.
Yeah.
London during lockdown.
on a Panigale.
On a Panigale.
On Shaitan.
Yes, so you're gonna love it.
What should they do though? If they haven't seen
So
it, go back and
please,
see all the other videos.
I'm calling all my precious. Please kindly support our YouTube channel, Biglunano.
Big.
Subscribe,
Ooh.
like, and make a comment below if you like the video. And press the bell to notify you for more fun and amazing videos. See you. Thanks for watching.
You are tired, aren't you? That sounded very robotic. Yeah, it did. Right.
It's a robot.
Unano, what are you doing?